Hey guys, did you get an air fryer over the holidays, but you kind of don't know where to start with it? I've got 5 recipes to help you get started, and then you're going to be a pro like me. Kinda. So let's get into it. First, we're going to make frozen French fries because let's face it, it's why you got an air fryer, right? So we're still going to spray with oil because it conducts heat and makes food crispy. I was worried about burning them because the kasori is very powerful, so I set it for 380 for 10 minutes, shaking halfway through. After 10 minutes, I didn't think they were crisp enough, so I put them back in at 400 for 3 more minutes. Make sure to season them while they're still hot and serve with your choice of condiments. Next, we're going to cook up some bacon. I chose thick cut, so it will take a little bit longer than regular bacon. I set it for 380 for 8 minutes, flipping halfway through, and it came out perfect. Now let's enjoy this moment of bacony goodness. Next, we're going to do baked potatoes. Now, you don't get a whole lot of time savings from the air fryer with baked potatoes, so I'm going to try something new today. I went ahead and poked holes with a fork all over and microwaved them for 5 minutes. Then we're going to go ahead and spray with oil and top with salt, and we'll do both sides. Then we're setting it for 400 degrees for 20 minutes, and we're going to turn halfway through. And make sure you're multitasking. While the potatoes were cooking, I cut up some scallions, and I'm also making Instant Pot yogurt. When they were done, you can see how soft and buttery they were inside, but I wanted a little bit crispier, so I put them back in for 5 more minutes. Finally, I topped them with some sour cream, the bacon we made earlier, and scallion greens. Next, we'll do frozen broccoli or any frozen vegetable you like. I prefer fresh broccoli, but I always have some of these in my freezer in case I have a veggie emergency. I toss them with olive oil, salt, and pepper, and also garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika. I set them for 10 minutes at 350, shaking halfway through, and when they're done, you can see how much they shrank. Finally, I have a frozen chicken breast. Yep, still frozen. I always wrap my chicken in wax paper and write how much it weighs on it because the cook time will depend on the weight. As always, we'll spray with oil and add salt and pepper to both sides. I cook my chicken at 360 and the 9-ounce breast will usually take about 12 to 15 minutes. After 12 minutes, it wasn't cooked all the way through and it somehow fell apart. I put it back in for 6 more minutes, and even though they were a little over 165, they were still nice and juicy. You can serve it with the broccoli that we made before, and I like to eat it with Chick-fil-A sauce or Sweet Baby Ray's, just for a quick meal. If you want to see another easy air fryer recipe, go ahead and click or tap here. See you in the next one.